the winner of the Nations and Regions Awards Welsh branch is a station that has a confident and warm feeling to its broadcasting and tries to respond to the need to go out and meet its listeners. Keep doing it or I'll not tell you. The half-hour compilation entry showed a station with real passion and connection to its local audience, not afraid to try new things and offer a genuine alternative. Keep doing it.
It's Coast Radio.
Coast 96.
Come on up and receive your fantastic golden envelope. Come on up, everyone.
Thank you very much to the Radio Academy, who will probably be watching this on YouTube. What can I say? I mean, Coast 96.3, a small team of people working for a big company. Over the years, you know, we've really pulled together to try and do something a little bit different that serves the area. We've got a great team. Some of the team aren't here tonight, and presenters past have contributed to this as well. Craig Pilling, who used to do breakfast. We've got a new presenter, Carl, now as well. Lee, who's been our wonderful drive presenter for quite some time now. This is Sylv. Sylv is a radio tart who works for not only us and Champion, but he also works for Tidno as well, so who are here as well. So the radio of the future. But I think next year it's going to be much tougher because we've got community radio taking part as well. So we'll make the most of this time round. Fingers crossed we go to the Sonys as well. That'll be fab. There are a lot of people who work for Coast, and everybody who works for the Marcher Radio Group can take credit for some of this. So well done, everybody.